Hello viewers, today we are going to consider organic chemistry, for more especially for beginners who want to understand the structure naming of organic compound. Let me assure you that at the end of this video, as you are watching, you will be able to name and draw the structure of organic compound. And now before we begin, we are going to consider two major things. If you want to start naming organic compound, or you want to draw the structure of organic compound, you need to know two major things. And this is what I'm going to show you, the secret of naming organic compound, and that is coming from homologous series. You must first of all understand what homologous series is and each carbon atom, how they are called in organic compound. Now watch out. Firstly, you must understand the major homologous series. We have alkyl group. Alkyl has a general formula of these members, and these formula, we have formula and we have functional group. Now for alkyl has a general formula of CnH2n plus 1. This one does not have a functional group because it is a removal of one hydrogen atom from the alkane family. Now we now go to the next one. The next one, we have alkane. Alkane has a general formula CnH2n plus 2 with a functional group of minus. This one is a single bond. All right, we now proceed to the next one. Look at alkene. This one called alkene. According to homologous series, alkene has a formula of CnH2n with a functional group of double bond. That is the functional group of alkene. We now go to the next one, known as alkyne. Alkyne has a general formula CnH2n minus 2 with a functional group of triple bond. This is a functional group of what? Member of the alkyne. The next one you are going to look at is alkanol. Alkanol has a general formula of CnH2n plus 1 OH. Then with a functional group of OH. This is a functional group of what? Alkanol. Are you following? The next one we are going to look at is alkanal. Alkanal has a general formula of CnH2nO. This is the general formula of what? Alkanal. Are you following? Now, what is the functional group of alkanal? We have CHO. This is a functional group of what? Alkanal. Are you following? I hope you are following. So the next one we are going to look at is what? Alkan 1. Alkan 1, or you call it alkanol. It's coming from ketones. Ketone, we have, you still have the general formula CH2NO. They have the same word formula, but their functional group differs. So we have their functional group is, this is the functional group of what? Of alkan 1. The next thing we are going to look at is alkanoid. Alkanoid, like metanoic acid, ethanoic acid, and so on, has a general formula of CnH2n plus 1 COOH plus 1 what? COOH. Are you following? Now the functional group is COOH. This is the functional group of what? Of alkanoic. We now go to the next one. The next one is ester. Ester is alkanoid. Do you know the general formula of alkanoate is still the same thing? We have CnH2n plus 1 COO R where it continues the chain. We now the functional group is COOR. This is a functional group of what? Of alkanoate. Functional group of what? Alkanoate. We now look at the next one that most people are not aware about, and that one is alkoxy. 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 This alkoxy is has a general formula like this one, but then CnH2n plus 2O. Are you getting me? Now the functional group of this alkoxy is what? Minus O minus. Do you get that? You see a member like methoxy methane, itoxyl ethane. See those kind of stuff. We are going to look at it in our classes. Now if you want to know more, we are organizing a free organic chemistry class. A free organic, how you can name a compound, how you can draw the structure of a compound. And this one, you need only two things. What you need to do is a registration of 1,000 naira, and you download Google Meet. That our class is going to be Google Meet, and it's starting from 1st of February, and it will be ending by 8th of February. We have already 30 people on ground. So you check on the screen, you will see the account number there. Pay the money to it, and there is also a phone number there so that you can be migrated into our online classes. Remember, we are starting the classes by 1st of February, ending by what? 8th of February. That is for the first batch. For the first batch, we only need our 50%. Already we have 30 people on ground, so we need only 20 persons. So be among the 30% that will enjoy this free bonus. Remember, we are preparing students for JAM. So remember to join this class. Now let's continue. So the next one we are going to look at is remember, this one is coming from ester. This one is coming from ester, where you have esterification. This one is coming from ethers. Many people are not aware of this member. So we now go to the next one. The next one is acanamide. Acanamide. Now, what's the formula of acanamide? Acanamide is the same to CnH2n plus 1 NH2. Now, what's the functional group of this acanamide? It's simple. NH2. This is acanamide. When you have methanamide, you have ethanamide, butanamide. You get that? The last one we are going to look at is acanamide. This one is acanamide, and this one is what? Acanamide. It has a general formula CnH2n plus 1 CONH2 with a functional group of CONH2. Are you following? If you know the members of this one, their name ending, all this one differ by their name ending, you are good to go. Now let me take you back. Remember, each carbon atom in a homologous series has a name. Now, for instance, watch out. We have a carbon atom like I have member of one carbon atom in organic compound is called met. Two carbon atom is called F. 3 carbon atom is called prop. 4 carbon atom is called boots. 5 carbon atom is called pens. 6 carbon atom is called heads. 7 carbon atom is called hept. 8 carbon atom is called oct. 9 carbon atom is called non. 10 carbon atom is called deck. 11 carbon atom is called what? 11 carbon atom is called On deck. On deck. 12 carbon atom is called dodeck. Dodeck. 13 carbon atom is called what? Trideck. Trideck. Are you following? 14 carbon atom is called what? Tetradeck. Tetradeck. 15 carbon atom is called what? 15 from this word. We have 15 from, okay, we have penta. 15 pentadeck. Pentadeck. So 15 we have pentadeck. 16 we have what? Hexadeck. 17 we call heptadeck. 18 we call what? Octadeck. 19 we call what? Nonadeck. 20 we call it Iocos. So these are all what you need to know, so that and these are K now, you now join it with the name ending. So here will be what? Methane. For this member, these are alkene and alkyne, because they are of the functional group of double bond and triple bond. They don't have this first member called what? Met. They only start from here. So in this member you call it what? Ethene. If it is this one, you call it what? Ethine. You call it what? Ethanol. You call it what? Ethanol. You call it what? Ethanol. This one you call it what? Ethanoic. Is different from your name word. Name and you call it what? Ethanol. Ethanoate. Ethanoate. Methane. Do you get that? This one we are going to look at extensively in our class. Like I say, if you want to be part of our class, just you need only two things. One, a registration of 1,000 naira into the account number displayed on the screen. Then you download Google Meet, where our class will be holding. We are going to begin our online organic chemistry class on the starting from 1st of February. Will span the first phase will be spanning from 1st of February to 8th of February. Do where to subscribe to Ojemai YouTube channel for more of this latest update, and also you can follow us on Facebook on Ojemai Online Chemistry. Thank you. Bye bye. Remember to share to as many people who are writing jam, or to as many people who are preparing for jam. Thank you. Bye bye.